Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rohit after a long time. So today we are getting started with one of our old started playlists. We are continuing with it. It is Adobe solutions on content coding. So today we are doing this problem of move zeros, which is from array section on the single bit. So basically the problem goes like this way. So you will be presented an array which is having zeros and non-zero elements. Our task is to bring all the non-zero elements to the leftmost extreme, right? So I will basically explain you two approaches. One is using a space of ordering, which is easy approach, and other is without using any extra space. And yeah, let's get started. So basically, we will declare a variable attached to the size of the given array, going to be n. So first of all, our approach goes this way. We will create a one more method, say it to be results of which is of the same size, and we are initially every all the elements with zero, right? And we will keep returning the result vector. So now what we will be doing is we will be iterating throughout the given vector. So let's do it. And so I less than him, semicolon, plus. So we are basically checking if when we encounter any non-zero element, then you just assign the value. Um, so we will be maintaining one more pointer, which is capture, which is just for navigating the index of the results vector. So let's say int j, I'm initiating it to zero. Now what we are assigning is the first element. We are assigning it to the first non-zero element we are encountering in the given array. It will be 0 I. And after that we will be incrementing j by one element. Okay. This will copy all the non-zero elements to the starting of the our result array, and all the zero elements will be left behind. So let's run this code. Yeah. It's the submit the code. Yeah. Yeah. So this is the approach using an extra space. Here we are using an extra space for column n. Basically, we are using the extra vector and we are copying the non-zero elements into that vector by iterating through our given array. So let's see another approach where we don't use an extra vector. Say for example, you are given the array this way, 0. Okay. So basically, what we'll be doing is we will be maintaining a pointer and the previous method. Say for example, j is equal to the pointer p. So here, whenever you are encountering a non-zero element, you will be replacing the jth position in that array with the current non-zero element. So basically, in the first iteration, you are encountering zero. So we will skip it. So next we are encountering 3. So whenever we are encountering 3, we will change the jth position, which is initially 0 to 3. So the arrays looks something like this after second iteration. So in the third iteration, when we are coming to 1, so basically we will increment in the previous iteration j from 0 to 1. So whenever this is happening, we will assign the value of j1 jth position, that is a of 1 to the current non-zero value. So similar way, when you are encountering two, so after the second iteration, this becomes two, this becomes they becomes two. Now after the next non-zero elements, get two. So what we'll be doing, we'll be replacing this in the jth position on the given array. So this will become two. So if you see, we got all the non-zero elements to the rightmost, leftmost extreme. But the problem is with the rightmost extreme. So now given that j equal to 2, and from j equal to 2 following by, we will be replacing all the remaining elements by zeros. So basically, our task is done. So it is two parts. First one is we are shifting elements to the non-zero elements to the starting. And in the second iteration, what we are doing, we are basically assigning rest of the elements as zeros, and which is very important, right? So here we will be removing this extra space, and we will be keeping this extra pointer as it is. And what we are basically doing is instead of this result array, we are modifying the same array, and this is all set here. And once after we are shifting all the elements, now we need to convert the last trailing elements into zero. For that, I will be using the while loop. So say while j is less than n, what we need to do, we need basically need to convert all the elements into zeros, right? Once into zeros. Don't forget the increment C++. We will be returning the same given array itself. Okay, understood? Let's test this code. Yeah. So our run is successful, compilation is successful. Let's submit the code. Yeah. So basically all our test cases are passed, and this is our second approach using uh, space order in the order of constant. We are not using any extra place except for these two declarations of n and j. We are basically modifying the given array itself. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. If you like my content, please like the video and share the video with your friends. Hope this is helpful. Thank you.